Hi everyone, this is me once again, Teacher Christy from Davao City National High School. Today, let's talk about quotient rule. To divide exponential expressions with like bases, subtract the exponent in the denominator from the exponent in the numerator. There are quotient rules for exponents to follow. For every positive integer m and n, and x is not equal to 0, quotient rule number 1. X raised to the power of m over x raised to the power of n. When m is greater than n, we subtract the exponent, m minus n. Let's have this example. X raised to the power of 7 over x raised to the power of 3. The exponent of the numerator is greater than that of the denominator, so we just simply subtract the exponent. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, so our answer is x raised to the power of 4. Another example, 2 raised to the power of 7 over 2 raised to the power of 3. Keep the base, and the exponent of the numerator is greater than that of the denominator. We just simply subtract the exponent. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. Another one. 20x raised to the power of 7 over 5x to the power of 3. Divide 20 and 5 basically. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Keep the base x and subtract the exponent 7 minus 3. So our final answer is 4x raised to the power of 4. The second quotient rule for exponent is x raised to the power of m over x raised to the power of n. When m is equal to n, m minus n is equal to 0. Any variables or numbers raised to the power of 0, the quotient or the answer is 1. Example, x raised to the power of 3 over x raised to the power of 3. Keep the base x and subtract the exponent. 3 minus 3 is 0. X raised to the power of 0. Again, any numbers or variables raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, our answer is 1. More examples. Negative 9 raised to the power of 3 over negative 9 raised to the power of 3. Keep the base negative 9 and subtract the exponents. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Negative 9 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Another example, 10x cubed divided by 2x cubed. Divide 10 to 2 basically. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Keep the base x and subtract the exponent. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 5x raised to the power of 0. Again, any variable or numbers raised to the power of 0 is 1. So therefore, 5 times 1 is 5. Our final answer is 5. Quotient rule number 3. X raised to the power of m over x raised to the power of n. When m is less than n, we just simply find the quotient as this. 1 over x raised to the power of n minus m. Let's have this example. X raised to the power of 3 over x raised to the power of 7. The exponent of the numerator is less than that of the denominator, so we just simply do this. 1 over x raised to the power of 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and our final answer is 1 over x to the power of 4. Another example, 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2 raised to the power of 7. 1 over 2 raised to the power of 7 minus 3 is equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 4, and simplify. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. Therefore, our final answer is 1 over 16. Another one. 9x cubed divided by 3x raised to the power of 7. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Since 9 is greater than 3 and it is placed in the numerator, we will place 3 in the numerator. And then, over x raised to the power of 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. And our final answer is 3 over x raised to the power of 4. Thank you.